Welcome to Rizzi. Now we are going to start the circles chapter JEE problems here. And in this material we have volume 4. In this material volume 4 you have to practice theory bits in page number 16 here. You have to practice the theory bits which are in circles chapter volume 4 material here, and I am going to solve topic wise JEE problems related to material here. In that JEE problems here, JEE mains. In this the questions are, the first question is topics related equation of circle and center and radius form. Equation of circle, center, radius form. This is the title here. And in that first question, that is the equation of the circle with radius r, the equation of circle with radius 3 centimeters, 3 and center as a point of intersection, point of intersection of lines, he is given two lines, that is 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y is equal to 1 here. And he is asking, this is a question, I am not writing the options here, I am writing only question here. So you need to observe the material here. Here I am writing only the question, I am not writing any options here, just I am solving the question here. The equation of a circle with radius 3 units and the center as point of intersection of these two lines. The point of intersection of these lines, this is L1 and this is L2, and by solving these two lines will get the center. This point of intersection of these two lines will considered as the center of the circle. So he is saying the point of intersection of these two lines is considering his center of the circle. From this center with a radius of 3 units, he is asking to find the circle equation here. From this center he is asking to find the radius of 3 units circle equation he want. So this is the question. So I am solving directly. I am solving 2x. I am taking L1, 2x plus 3y is equal to 5 and 2x minus y is equal to 1. By solving these two equations, I am solving. So 2x get cancelled. 3x plus 5, that is 4y. 5 minus 1 again 4 get cancelled, that is equal to y is equal to 1. Let's substitute this y value in this equation. 2x minus 1, that is equal to 1, and 2x is equal to 2, x is equal to again 1. Here we got x comma y is equal to 1 comma 1. Here x comma y is nothing but that is center, that is 1 comma 1. Center is 1 comma 1. Already we have radius r is equal to 3. Let the circle equation x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, that is equal to r square. Let's substitute this x comma y and r values in this expression. X minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, r is equal to 3 whole square. That implies I am directly simplifying x square and y square. 2x is nothing but 2x and 2y minus 2y here, and 1 square 1 plus 1 2 is equal to 3 square is 9, and finally the x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y, minus 7 is equal to 0. If you bring 9 this side, that will become minus 9. 2 minus 9, that is equal to 7. This is the answer for the equation. See here, I'm eliminating the steps here. So no need of expanding each and every term here, and no need to add each and every term here, and directly I am solving x square terms combined together, and 2x terms, 2y terms, and constant terms combinedly I am writing here, so that we can reduce our time to calculate JEE questions here. This is all about the first question, and the next question is and the next question, second question, the circle concentric with, second question, the circle concentric with x square plus y square plus 4x plus 6y and then plus 3 is equal to 0, and radius is given this question. So this is the question he is given, and he is asking the circle concentric with the circle and with the radius is 2 here, and concentric circles are nothing but circle. This is a circle equation he is given. This is a circle equation. Circle equation he is given having center C1 C, and from the same center one more circle is there with a radius of 2 here. We don't know whether it is inside or outside, but I am assuming it is outside of the circle, outside of the concentric circle. Concentric circle is nothing but having same center and different radiuses is called concentric circle here, concentric circle. So having same center is nothing but, here for this equation I am reducing time here every time. So observe clearly, from this equation we need to find the center, minus g minus f. So directly if I am taking minus g minus f, g is nothing but half of this one, f is nothing but half of this one. So g is nothing but half of this one is 2, f is nothing but half of 6 is 3. So minus g minus f is the center here. So directly I am writing minus 2 minus 3 is the center, and having radius r is equal to 3. Directly now substitute x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, that is equal to r square. No need of writing this equation also, just for understanding purpose I am writing here x plus 2 whole square plus y plus 3 whole square and 3 whole square. I am substituting h comma k and r values in this equation. So directly I am writing the solution clearly. Observe clearly, x square here, a plus b whole square is called r square in the form of a plus b whole square, and here y square, here 2 2 ja 4x, next 6y, 4 here 9, 4 plus 9 here is equal to also 9 here. Let's bring these two numbers are, if you bring this side, these two numbers are cancelled here, no need of these two steps here. So I am eliminating here is equal to 0. This is the final equation, final answer for this one. So here we can eliminate this step also and this step also. Directly you can substitute x plus 2 and x plus 3, y plus 3 is equal to 9. You can write like this. Directly if you solve this one, you can solve in quicker way. This is all about the second question. Concentrate on time only. Here you need to concentrate on time, not on solving problem. And the next question is, I am taking, if the center of fourth question, if the centroid, if the centroid of an equilateral triangle, centroid of an equilateral triangle is 1, 1 and one of its vertices is one of its vertices is minus 1, 2 and then equation of the circumcircle is generally what is mean by circumcircle? Circumcircle is nothing but the circle which is passing through all the vertices of a triangle is called circumcircle here, and he is given one question, that is if the centroid of the equilateral triangle is nothing but having all the sides are equal here, and if the centroid of an equilateral triangle is given 1, 1, that is 1, 1 and one of its vertices is minus 1, 2 and he is asking to find the equation of circumcircle. Equation of circumcircle is nothing but generally we can call it as equation of circle, but here he is asking equation of circumcircle. From that I am taking a rough diagram. So I am taking a equilateral triangle here. This is an equilateral triangle. From this equilateral triangle I am taking centroid. Centroid is nothing but the combination of, this is a centroid here. So this centroid is nothing but 1, 1 he is given already, and one of its vertices he is given, that is minus 1, 2. This is I am taking one vertices. From this center, if you draw a circle, this is a circumcircle here, the circumcircle, he is asking to find the equation of this circle here, this is all about the question here, and let's solve this question. The solution for this one, next he is given center and one of the vertices. From the center, from the distance only we are drawing a circle. This is nothing but here radius. Radius is the distance of center to vertices. R is equal, first I am finding radius. So radius of 1, 1 to minus 1, 2. So radius formula x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square. So minus 1 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square, that is nothing but minus 2 whole square plus 2 minus 1 whole square. I am writing more steps here for understanding purpose. 4 plus 1, that is equal to root 5 here. R is equal to how much? Root 5. R equal to, we got root 5. But here we are considering this centroid as a center here. So that is h comma k is equal to 1, 1. So our circle equation is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, that is equal to r square. Let's substitute h minus 1 whole square plus y minus 1 whole square, that is equal to root 5 whole square. Square and root get cancelled here, and x square directly I am writing y square minus 2x minus 2y minus 2x minus 2y and 1 plus 1 here, and if you bring here it is 5 here, and x square plus y square minus 2x minus 2y plus 2 minus 5, that is equal to 0, and in place of this we can 2 minus 5 is nothing but minus 3. Directly I am writing here minus 3 here is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circumcircle for the given problem here. This is all about the topic here, and the next topic is and the next question, the diameter of a circle R along the diameter, question number is 8. The diameter of a circle are along 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0 and x plus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. Then the equation of circle, the equation of circle which also passes through 5, 7 is. First understand the question, whatever the question he is given, then only try to solve the question here. First understand the question, the diameter of a circle along these two lines, then the equation of circle which is also passes through the point, and these two, the point of intersection of these two lines we can consider as a center here, and the circle, it is passing through this point. The center to the distance is called, we can call as radius here. Radius also we got. The point of intersection of these two lines will get the center here. This is the concept here. So I am finding the solution. So he is given two lines, 2x plus y minus 7 is equal to 0. This is L1 and the L2. X plus 3y minus 11 is equal to 0. I am finding in determinate manner x, y, 1. So here 2, 1 minus 7 and 1, 3 minus 11. So that we can find the x and y values, that is center x by minus 11 plus 21 minus y by minus 22 plus 7 and is equal to 1 by 6 minus 1. So that x by 10 minus y by minus 15, 1 by 5, minus get cancelled, x is equal to 10 by 5, y is equal to 15 by 5, 5 1 ja, 5 2 ja, 5 1 ja, 5 3 ja, x is equal to here 2, y is equal to 3, x comma y is equal to 2 comma 3, here center is nothing but 2 comma 3. We got center, we have one point on a circle here, the distance r is equal to radius. So x2 minus x1 whole square, 2 minus 5 whole square plus 3 minus 4, 3 minus 7 here, 3 minus 7 whole square. R is nothing but minus 3 whole square plus minus 4 whole square, and R is equal to 9 plus 16, that is equal to R is equal to 20, square root of 25, that is nothing but 5. R is equal to 5 here. Here we got R and center here. The equation of circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square, that is equal to r square. X minus 2 whole square plus y minus 3 whole square, that is equal to r is equal to 5 whole square. So I am directly writing here x square, here y square, minus 4x minus 6y, 2 square, 4, 3 square, 9, minus 25 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y, 4 plus 9, 13, 13 minus 25, that is minus 12, that is equal to 0. This is the equation of a circle for the question given. And the next topic is shortest distance and longest distance. Shortest distance and longest distance. First problem in that is nothing but 11th problem. So the shortest distance from, the question is the shortest distance from minus 2 comma 14 to the circle x square plus y square minus 6x minus 4y minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0 is here. He is asking to find the shortest distance to the circle here. So this is the one circle, that is x is equal to 0 is given, and the point minus 2 comma 4, the shortest distance to the circle is center to that point is called shortest distance. Here from the given circle x square plus y square minus gx minus 6x minus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. From this equation, minus g minus f is the center here. So here g is minus 3, g is f is minus 2. Here minus g is nothing but 3 here, f is not minus f is nothing but 2 here. So center is directly you need to take, you no need to solve each and every plus and minus signs here. Directly you have to practice. That is center 3 comma 2 and point is given minus 2 comma 14. Here shortest distance is formula square root of x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 whole square, minus 2 minus 3, minus 2 minus 3 whole square plus 14 minus 2 whole square and minus 5 whole square plus 14 minus 2 12 whole square is equal to, this is equal to, and minus 5 is nothing but 25 plus 14 12 is nothing but 144, that is equal to 169. 169 is equal to square root of 169 is nothing but 13. Here shortest distance formula is Cp minus R. Shortest distance here. Here shortest distance Cp minus R equal to formula we have g square plus f square minus c from the equation. So g square is nothing but here minus 3 whole square, f is nothing but minus 2 whole square, c is nothing but here minus into minus become plus. Here 3 square is 9, 2 square is 4 plus 12, that is nothing but completely you can write 13 plus 12, that is equal to 25. Square root of 25 is nothing but 5. R we got 20. Cp is equal to, we got, this is Cp minus R. Cp is equal to, we got 13, R is equal to, we got here 5. 13 minus 5, that is equal to 8. The answer for this question is 8 units here. And the next question is concyclic. Next topic is concyclic points. Concyclic points, circumcircle. Concyclic points I am simply taking. The first question is, if the points 0 comma 0, 2 comma 0 and 0 comma minus 2 finally and k comma minus 2 are concyclic, then find the value of k. Here is given question number is 13 here, question number is 13 and if the point 0 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 0 comma minus 2 and k comma 4, here he is given 4 points are concyclic. Concyclic is nothing but the points which are having on the same circle are concyclic. Here this is 1 point, this is 1 point, and this is one more point, and this is one more point. These 4 points are lies on a circle 0 comma 0, 2 comma 0, 0 comma minus 2 and k comma minus 2 here. This is nothing but the concept of concyclic here, and taking solution here, solution. So the equation of circle S is equal 0, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0 here. X square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal 0. This is the equation of circle here. Let's substitute the first point here, then it will become 0 plus 0, x and y both values equal to 0, then c is equal 0, we will get c is equal 0 from the point 0 comma 0. 0 comma 0 implies, next 2 comma 0 implies, so all points are lies on circle only, so I am substituting each and every point in the circle equation. So 2 square, this is 0, y value is 0, 4g plus 0 plus c also here 0 here, c also from this equation 0, and 4 plus 4g is equal to g is equal to minus 1. This is the value here, and from the point 0 comma minus 2, if we substitute 0 plus 4, 0 minus 4f is equal to 0. From this equation 4 is equal to 4f, f is equal to here, we got 1 here, and let's substitute the fourth point k square, next minus 2y, here 2, k square is minus 2 is nothing but plus 4 here, and plus 2k, 2g, 2gk, g is nothing but here minus 1 minus 2 here, and sorry, from this equation just we need to write the substitute the g, f, c values in the equation. So x square plus y square, g is nothing but minus 2x, f is nothing but plus 2y plus c is nothing but here we don't know, that is the equation, and this circle equation should satisfy the point k is equal to minus 2. In that way also we can solve here. Let's substitute the k, x square, k square, y square is nothing but minus 2 whole square, 2 into k here plus 2 into minus 2 here, k square plus 4 minus 2k plus minus 4 is equal to 0. K 4 get cancelled here. Finally k square minus 2k is equal to 0, k minus k as common, k minus 2 is equal to 0, k is equal to 0 or k is equal to 2 here. So here k equal to 0 and k is equal to 2 here. We two values we got here. K is equal to, if you take k is equal to 0, already all the 2 points are similarly we have 0, x coordinate is 0 0 here. So not possible to place is here 0. So that's why the k value is 2 here. This is all about the solutions of concyclic point here. In next session we will discuss about the other topics. Thank you.